Hello, my name is Rivisa Fitri. My student ID number is 234111047. Today I am here to explain about international business. I hope my explanation will be clear and easy to understand. International business. International business refers to all commercial activities, including trade in goods and services as well as investment that take place across national borders, allowing companies to expand beyond their domestic market and compete globally. In today's globalized world, advances in technology, transportation, and communication have made it easier for firms to operate internationally, and companies such as Unilever and Toyota are strong examples of how organizations can successfully build global operations by adapting their strategies to different countries while maintaining a consistent brand identity. So, that international business is not just about selling products abroad, but also about managing complex global networks. Benefits of international business. The benefits of international business are significant as companies can expand their market reach beyond domestic limitations and increase revenue potential, gain access to cheaper or higher quality research such as labor and raw materials, and benefit from knowledge transfer and innovation across border. Moreover, operating internationally allows firms to diversify risk by not relying on a single market and to enhance their competitiveness by learning from global best practices, while countries themselves benefit through job creation, economic growth, and internship for foreign investment, making international business a key driver of globalization and economic development. Challenge of international business. Despite its advantages, international business also involves various challenges such as cultural differences that affect communication, negotiation style, and consumer behavior differences in legal system and government regulation that can complicate operations, political and economic instability in certain regions, and fluctuations in exchange rates that can impact profitability. A well-known example is the failure of New Coke, which illustrates how misunderstanding, customer preference, and cultural attachment to a product can lead to major business setbacks, emphasizing that companies must carefully analyze both external and internal factors before entering international markets. What is international business? International business refers to all commercial activities that involve transactions of goods, services, technology, and capital across national borders, allowing companies to operate in more than one country and participate in the global economy. It includes activities such as exporting, importing, foreign investment, and global product networks, and companies like Unilever and Toyota are examples of firms that successfully manage operations across many countries by balancing global strategies with local markets. Why do we need to study international business? We need to study international business because the world is becoming increasingly globalized, meaning that economic activities in one country can directly affect others, and understanding this helps individuals and companies make better decisions in global markets. It is also important for developing awareness of cultural differences, international trade system, and global competition, while providing clear opportunities in multinational companies, government, trade agencies, and international organizations such as the World Trade Organization, making it an essential fit for union's interests in business and economy. International business activities. International business activities include exporting and importing goods and services between countries. Foreign direct investment where companies will or acquire business in other countries, licensing and licensing agreements that allow brand expansion globally, and global outsourcing where companies produce or source material from different parts of the world to reduce costs and increase efficiency. These activities help firms expand their market reach, improve competitiveness, and take advantage of global opportunities while adapting to different economic and cultural environments. Benefit of international business. International business provides major benefits such as expanding market opportunities beyond domestic boundaries, increasing profitability through access to larger customer bases, reducing pollution sourced by utilizing cheaper resources in other countries, and encouraging information through exports to global competitions and knowledge sharing. It also helps countries develop economically by attracting foreign investment, creating jobs, and improving infrastructure, making it a key driver of globalization. Market entry strategies. Companies can enter international markets through different strategies such as exporting products as a low-risk option, forming joint ventures with local companies to gain market knowledge, establishing foreign direct investment by building clusters or subsidiaries for full control, and using licensing or franchising to expand brand franchises with low investment. A strategy varies in risk control and cost, so companies must choose based on market conditions and long-term goals. Sustainability in international business. Sustainability is becoming an important focus in international business as companies are expected to consider environmental protection, ethical sourcing, and social responsibility alongside profit making. Global firms are increasingly adopting sustainable practices as recording carbon emissions and improving labor conditions, because consumer and government are no more aware of environmental and initial issues, making sustainability a key factor long-term success. Consolidation international business is a dynamic and essential part of the global economies that allow companies to grow beyond national borders, increase profits, and access new opportunities. but it also involves complex challenges like cultural differences, legal barriers, and economic risks. Therefore, success in international business depends on understanding global market, choosing the risk strategies, adapting to local conditions, and maintaining sustainable and ethical practices.
I just had to let you know you're. She a happy baby, she